Hey YouTube, it's your girl Julie Shavik, and today I'm back again with another headband wig review, obviously because I'm on here bald girl. So if you like headband wigs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and let's get straight into the details about this hair from Luv Me Hair. I think y'all gonna like this one because I already like it already. I haven't even put it on yet, but let's get straight into the details. The wig, it's giving me real Diana Ross already, boo. I haven't even put it on yet. It's so thick. Like, I've never had any kinky straight hair. Well, actually I have. It was a synthetic wig, but it's like the first human hair kinky straight, and it's thick. Like, it's giving Diana Ross. It's giving 1973. So I don't know. Let's put it on and see what's happening. They did give me a bunch of headbands, so I'm just gonna put it on and we're gonna hope for the best. I don't know. I might have to curl it or something, but it's a little much. Okay. So I already did my edges oiled because they had to be already laid down before I got on here, girl. I'm thinking if I want to put the combs in or not. I think I kind of want to put the combs in. So I'm gonna push this wig cap back. Honestly, I might just take the wig cap off because I can't put the combs in with the wig cap on. So the wig cap coming off, girl. It's okay. Y'all, this hair, I shouldn't have on a black shirt. This is how long it is. It's not super long. I think it's 20 inches, maybe. I think it's 20 inches. It's not crazy long, but it's definitely long enough. Girl, I really like it though. I think it's giving me, is this your hair? Is it your hair? Is it not your hair? Period. Of course you can straighten this hair out. I really kind of don't want to straighten it out because I feel like this is more, oh, it's giving volume. Like, this hair is thick. Like, I kind of don't even want to straighten it. I was thinking about curling it with my curling iron, but like, I really like it like this. Like, I feel like it looks just natural. Like, this is my hair. They have two different styles of headbands, which is this thicker cloth headband, which I really like this style, versus the little like ones that barely cover the band. I really like this style headband because it's thicker. You can actually wear your hair up with it. So I like this style better than this style, if you can tell the difference. Like, this one you can actually wear a ponytail, like it'll cover up the back. This one with this little scrunchy thing, girl's not covering up nothing, so we're not gonna use that one. They gave me a bunch of the other kinds. I got this one, which is blue and yellow, green floral print. We got a good cheetah, girl. We got paisley. I don't like these colors, but I ain't got none of this paisley. And we got army fatigue. My mom in here staring at me. Do you want something? You want yours of chicken?
I want to wear wig with the headband.
You want to wear my wig with my headband. So you gonna bring me some church chicken? Okay. Time for the headband show and tell. So let's get into these headbands so y'all can see how they look on the wig. Cue the slow-mo, cue the slow-mos. Okay, y'all, so I'm super tempted to try to straighten this, but I feel like if I straighten it's gonna take away the point. Like, the point is for it to be like natural and big, so it's like I don't want to straighten it, but I want to straighten to see if it actually gets straight. So this is what we're gonna do. If you want me to straighten this wig and see if it can get straight, write in the comment section below that you want to see me do it, and I'll come back with another video where I show you if this hair can be straightened or curled. I'm pretty sure it can, because it's supposed to be human hair, and it looks like it can. Like, it's really soft, really nice. It's not tangled, nothing. Like, it's lit, and I think it'll be cute straightened. But I mean, I don't really want to straighten it. I want to wear it like this, so that's why I don't want to straighten it. But if you want to see if it can be straightened, just write in the comment section that you want to see it, and I'll come back with a straight video. So this video can get 100 likes, I'll do it. 100 likes, I'll do it. So make sure you hit that like button. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this hair is from Luv Me Hair. It is kinky straight, 20 inches. Don't take me on. I'm gonna put everything down below, but it is kinky straight hair. I'm pretty sure it's 20 inches, and y'all, it's beautiful. Like y'all heard my mama came here talking about she want to wear my wig. Like, girl, this is mine, honey. I didn't say I was sharing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel to see more wig reviews, more beauty videos, more vlogs, more fashion videos, more, you know, anything I want to post. So make sure you're doing that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see all my in-betweens, to see all my behind the scenes, honey. So I'll see you guys in the next one.